Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nida, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So I created this makeup look for Karwa Chauth. So if you are interested in getting know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So firstly I'm going to apply this Pond's lightweight moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated and moisturized all day long. So just apply a thick layer of this cream, or if you are an oily skin person you can apply any gel based moisturizer. So it will also help your foundation to sit really well on skin, and just let it sit for 5 minutes. So now as we are done with our moisturization routine, so we will going to quickly apply this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer to blur out our pores. So now to cover up my dark circles, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. So wherever you have redness or discoloration, तो आप इसको वहाँ पे अप्लाई कर लीजिए. Next, to blend my concealer, I'm going to use this Cuff and Lashes F011 concealer brush. So इस तरह से डैबिंग मोशन में हम लोग अपने कंसीलर को ब्लेंड आउट कर लेंगे. And now for my foundation, I'm going to use this Lakme 925 primer in the shade N220 neutral medium. So ये कुछ इस तरह से spatula के साथ आता है. So I'm going to take this much of amount on the back of my palm. And it is a really nice foundation. बहुत ज़्यादा thick consistency भी नहीं है, तो it gives really natural kind of finish. So I'm just avoiding those areas where we have applied concealer. So otherwise नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा layering से फिर crease बनने लगती है. I'm going to blend this out with help of this Damn Beauty blender. And next, to avoid the creasing of our liquid product, हमने जो like concealer and foundation apply किया वो दोनों ही liquid में थे. So अगर वो crease ना करें, इसके लिए हम लोग अभी Faces Canada का compact powder apply करेंगे. very light handedly इसको हम apply करेंगे. Or if you have loose powder, you can also use that. Time to define our eyebrows, and for that I'm using this PAC Cosmetic eyebrow cake. So just quickly I'm just going to brush them downwards. Now I just quickly go and finish my other eyebrow. So as you can see, I'm done with my eyebrows, and I know my eyebrows are highlighting too much at this point of time, but don't worry, once we will be getting done with our eye makeup, so everything will look all together, बहुत सही लगेगा तब. So for our eye makeup, I'm going to use this Eye Magic eyeshadow palette. It's their 16 color eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip my brush into this brown shade. So as you can see how much pigmented these colors are. So dust the excess, and I'm going to place this on my outer V. So basically we need to make this kind of V shape. So going to apply this on my inner V and connect them. Next I'm going to apply the same brown color on my lower lash line as well. Next I will be taking this kind of clean fluffy brush and I will be just running it through my edges of my eyeshadow, so सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा seamless and blend out लगे. हम लोग अपना सेम वही कंसीलर लेंगे और कुछ इस तरह का फ्लैट ब्रश लेंगे आप लोग, एंड थोड़ा सा कंसीलर हम लोग यहाँ पे ले लेंगे. इस तरह से कुछ इतना कंसीलर लिया है मैंने, एंड इसको हम अपने मिडिल पार्ट पे यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे. So basically I am just going to clean this area. So you don't need to be too much precise. कुछ roughly भी आप कर देंगे so it will be okay. जिस पार्ट पे हमने कंसीलर अप्लाई किया था वहाँ पर हम इस तरह से अब इस तरह का एक ब्रश लेंगे आप, और ये वाला जो शेड है गोल्डन शिमरी शेड, यू कैन यूज़ एनी गोल्डन शेड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. सो ये वाला शेड अप्लाई करेंगे. Then we will going to apply this brown color. यहाँ जहाँ पर ये दोनों शेड्स मिल रहे हैं वहाँ पर बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से फिर से ये ब्राउन कलर अप्लाई करेंगे. Going to tight line my upper waterline and as well as my lower lash line with help of this Lakme Iconic Kajal. It's a black color kajal. So just apply a thick layer of kajal. To just simply apply an eyeliner with help of this stick work eyeliner. Now it's time to the application of mascara, and for that I am using this Mars Fabulous mascara. So we will just going to apply a thick layer of this mascara. To give little bit definition to my face, I am going to use this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette in the shade Neutrals 2. Yes, in the shade Neutrals 2. So by the way, it is a eyeshadow palette, but हम लोग इसमें से like ये वाला shade pick कर रहे हैं. इसको आप अपने contouring and blush के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. For my blush, I am going to use this shade. I am going to highlight the usual areas of my face, and for that I am using this Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So आप इसको ब्रश की हेल्प से भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और अपनी फिंगर की हेल्प से भी. Finish this makeup look by applying some lipstick, and for that I am using this Mars lip liner. For my lipstick I am going to use this red color lipstick because करवा चौथ है तो red color बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Lastly, to lock my makeup on its place, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. here is the completed look. So I finished off this look by wearing this beautiful sari and some beautiful jewelry. So this look is so simple and easy. You can easily pull on this makeup look, you know, in just 10 minutes. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you really did so, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And all the product which I have used to create this look will be mentioned in the description box below, so please don't forget to check out the description box as well. So happy Karwa Chauth to all of you and happy festive season also. So please मेरे चैनल पे बने रहिए. मैं आपको मिलती हूँ अपने नए वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए stay beautiful, stay happy. Bye bye guys.